Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the questions of HPSC PGT Biology, and it was a subjective question paper. So from this will those people who are preparing for HPSC Assistant Professor. So for them it can be very helpful, as in Assistant Professor exam there will be a pre-exam which will be a screening exam consisting of objective paper, and then there will be the main exam which will be of subjective nature. So for those candidates who are aspiring for, who are preparing for assistant professor in HPSC, so for them it could be very helpful to have a look over it. So this paper, this is biology subject, and it was 3 hour paper, and the maximum marks was 150. In total, there were 18 questions, and out of them there were 18 questions, and it was expected to the candidate has to attend maximum 15 questions. There were guidelines for about word limits also. The question number 1 is define the term taxonomy and name the scientist who coined this term. Explain the binomial system of nomenclature and its merits. Question number 2. Explain how gene transfer occurs in bacteria when sexual reproduction is absent in them. So here one will have to talk about the three methods: transformation, transduction, and conjugation. Now next question is discuss the mechanism of enzyme action and explain the Michaelis-Menten curve. Now, next question is give a detailed account of meiosis and support your description with suitable diagrams. Next question is what is apoptosis and explain extrinsic and intrinsic pathway of apoptosis. Next question is question number 6. Describe the process of secondary development in the stems of woody angiosperms and its importance. Next question is which endocrine gland is called executive officer of hypothalamus and why? And part B, it has another part. Part B, what is sensory photobiology? Give a brief account of phytochrome mediated photomorphogenetic response in plants. Next question is question number 8. It also has two parts. Part A, write about the effects of deficiency of 3 macro and macronutrients each on plants. And part B was xanthium is regarded as a short day plant even though the photo period required by it is up to 15 hours. So explain why that is so. Next question is question number 9, and part A is saltatory conduction of nerve impulse conserve energy of axon. Give reasons to justify or answer. Now for part B, what is the importance of Hatch-Slack cycle and explain its mechanism. Now question number 10, part A, describe why polyembryony is very significant in agriculture. Question number 10, part B, explain microsporogenesis and microgametogenesis in the relation to the development of pollen grains. Next question is explain menstrual cycle, its various phases and changes in concentration of anterior pituitary and ovarian hormone during menstrual cycle. Next question is what is infertility? Describe its causes and how ART is used to treat it. Part B, explain briefly only non-invasive method of prenatal diagnosis and the role of pre-implantation diagnosis. Question number 13. So, part A, what is the impact of various evolutionary changes on Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? And part B is differentiate between endemic and exotic species. Question number 14, differentiate between ecads and ecotones with one example. Part B is why is the Indian government stressing upon the use of solar energy as an alternative source of energy? And the part C of this question, what is the zero population growth rate? Question number 15, elucidate various issues of bioethics and biopiracy. Write about merits and demerits of GMOs. Question number 16, what is the genetic engineering and its application? Give a brief account of RNAi and double-stranded RNA technology. Question number 17. How transgenic animals are created and are used for testing the safety of chemicals and vaccines. Now, question number 18, the last question. Explain the role of microbes in sewage treatment and industries. Part B, an average of 172 liters of nephric filtrate is formed every day, but only 1.5 to 2 liters of urine is excreted out. What happens with the remaining amount of filtrate? So there were 18 questions, and out of them, one has to attend 15 questions. So this exam was held in 22. After this, one more exam, this in 2024 there has been an exam, so that paper will also talk about, will share, so that it could help you in your preparation. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for if you want more such updates.